Whether you've just purchased a vehicle, you just moved to Georgia, or your birthday is around the corner, your vehicle will need to be registered or your tag will need to be renewed. Here are some facts on when you will need to register your vehicle. If you have purchased your vehicle from an individual or business that is not a dealership, you must register it within 7 days of the purchase date. If you do not register your vehicle within 30 days of the purchase date, late fees and penalties will apply. If you have purchased your vehicle from an in-state or out-of-state dealer, you must register your vehicle within 30 days of the purchase date to avoid late fees and/or penalties. Please contact your dealer to confirm if they are processing your documents through the ETR system and if your license plate will be mailed to you. If your dealer temporary tag is about to expire and your title work has not been processed, please contact the Cherokee County Tax Office to inquire if an additional temporary tag can be issued. If you just moved to Georgia, you have 30 calendar days after establishing your residency to register your vehicles. However, if your out-of-state registration is not current, you should come to the Cherokee County Tag Office as soon as possible. Cherokee County offers 4 ways to renew your tag. Number 1, Georgia MV Express Kiosks. These are a convenient way to renew your tag. Simply go into one of the following Kroger locations: Towne Lake Kroger, Hickory Flat Commons Kroger, Woodmont Village Kroger. You can scan the barcode on the back of your Georgia driver's license, scan the QR code on the back of your renewal notice, or manually enter your information. You will be able to make payment on the machine and your decal will print from the kiosk. Number 2, online at Drives eServices. Go to eservices.drives.ga.gov. Click on Renew Vehicle Registration. Enter your license plate number and the registered owner's driver's license number. Number 3, mail. Mail your renewal to 2780 Marietta Hwy, Canton, Georgia 30114. Number 4, in person. If you prefer in person, you can visit one of the Cherokee County Tax Commissioner's office's 2 locations: Woodstock, 155 Towne Lake Parkway, Woodstock, Georgia 30188. Canton, 2780 Marietta Hwy, Canton, Georgia 30114. Hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please reach out to us at 678-493-6400 with any questions or concerns, or visit us on our Facebook page, Cherokee County Tax Commissioner's Office.